like right now.
At it?
Yeah, look at the camera. Talk to the camera. Like now.
Oh.
it's rolling.
You didn't tell me that.
I told you it's candid. We are like it's candid right now.
Got it.
So this is post-workout. How you feel?
You're a tough one. You're a good trainer though. It was good.
Yeah, she's being modest. I'm the greatest trainer in the world.
Yes.
No, I'm
true.
kidding. No, absolutely not. Anyways, full workouts in the description. Point down where the workout's at. Do you know where the description is?
No. Show me.
There.
Down?
Yeah. So that's where they need to find the workout. Or if they're
Do it at home.
Or if they're on my email list, well, still, workouts down below.
You're confusing them.
Yeah. Stop watching the video and actually
Go
do
work
it.
out.
Yeah. Right. That's the message. Don't watch it. Well, watch the video for inspiration, motivation, but then do the actual work. Right.
You got it.
Results happen in the field, not sitting and watching. Right. Cosign. So hey, what's up? What up, squad? It's your boy C's from thecesarlife.com, and we have Lauren.
Hey guys.
We were just being candid. So today is the Red Sox parade. You might not see it on the actual, well, I'm not even gonna bog you with the details. Anyway, we're trying to figure out where's the best breakfast spot around Back Bay, right? And Tate is her recommendation. I like Back Bay sandwiches. And then there was the other one.
Mike and Patty's.
Oh, Angie, come here.
We need another
No, we don't need your photography skills.
recommendation. What do you need?
Yo, so this is the vlog.
Oh, hi vlog.
All right, so tell them about your class. We go. Wait, come in the frame too. You know, this is
El
the family.
El Casal in the house, fam. Yeah, what do you want to know? Want me to tell them about
Well,
Sweat
tell them
Remix?
about Sweat Remix.
All
Where they
right.
can find you, where the class at, everything.
Okay, so Sweat Remix is a remix of two polarizing things that we blend together to make epic. So it's
Total epicness.
Total epic. So
Yeah.
it's a remix of hardcore interval training, heart pumping, and soul feeding meditation. It's a 45-minute class. We zen, we rage, we heal. You can find me here at Links. On
I'm pointing at.
Yeah,
I'm
at
pointing
the
at
place,
the,
at this
yeah.
space right here.
Yeah.
Wednesday and Friday mornings, and also Thursday nights. You can also find me at the Huntington YMCA on Tuesdays and Thursday mornings and evenings. And this Friday, November 2nd, at Friday Night Lights, register on Eventbrite. It's lights, it's movement, it's music, it's a sensory experience, and it's 100% epic.
Total epicness. Epicness. Also,
So, like,
links. Wait, point
come
down
through.
to the links because you know people, they need instruction, direction. You know, they misguided.
Links are gonna be down here?
undecided. Yeah. So links. I'm not that good yet.
Oh, okay, I don't know.
It's just down.
If I go,
down.
can you make a link come out of that? But yeah,
Maybe.
something.
We'll try.
See.
We'll
If not,
try.
it's gonna look ridiculous. But
Yeah.
just register.
I'll just cut it out. No, I'm keeping all of that in, by the way. But yeah, check out her class. I'm going to be there. Most importantly.
That's what's up. He's gonna be there.
All right, come chill with the kid and
that's
take her
and your girl
awesome
Angela.
class.
Sweat Remix. I'll be there. Okay, Casal's coming.
Yeah.
We're all there.
All right, it's a vibe.
Kids are in. The kids
yeah,
are in.
kids are in. All right, to the next clip or maybe over. Who knows? Figure it out. All right, so your boy's back at the crib, and yo, never mind the background noise. You know, my neighbor's dog's across the street. Also, he's welding something in the middle of the street, so you know. And your boy's been struggling with his audio for the past couple videos, especially yesterday's vlog with the whole wind gusting and everything like that. So my apologies. Anyways, I just wanted to just wrap up with a quick little conversation, discussion or whatnot about certain things that I've been up to and what I've been doing. Some of you who've been following me on Instagram or been on my profile lately, I'm not sure how many of you have, but you will notice that I unfollowed everyone that I followed over the years. And the reason for that is because I wanted to eliminate all the distractions that's currently in my life that's not moving me towards my goal, right? So I unfollowed a ton of everybody on Instagram. I deleted Facebook app on my phone. I deleted the Twitter app on my phone. So I'm sort of like going code black, like going dark until I roll out all of these training programs that I'm releasing, right? These products that I'm releasing. And I want to eliminate all distractions that's not moving me or helping me accomplish that task. So it might seem super extreme to most people, but you know, if you want extraordinary results, you got to do extraordinary things, right? You can't think on the same frequency as everybody else. You have to like curve your own lane, find what it is that you're looking for, and then show people that path. And I feel that this step that I just took definitely is leading me towards that. I don't know what the outcome of this experiment is going to be. I just like meditated and that was what I came up with. So I just took action on that immediately. And I really, to be quite frank with you, I really hope that this step that I took definitely yields great results. And if it does, I will of course share it with you guys. And yeah, right now it's just focus on these products and delivering the best that I can possibly deliver. Anyway, yeah. So no hard feelings if you decide that I don't deliver any value to you or don't help you reach closer to your goal. I will not hold that against you if you decide to unfollow me on the gram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever. You know, if you feel that whatever I'm giving to you does not add value to your life or bring you closer to your goal, just, you know, unfollow me, because that's exactly what I'd expect. You know, that's exactly what I did, and that's what I expect from you. You know, and that gives me feedback that I can optimize my message and deliver a more concrete product to you guys, right? I just want to deliver products or services that is needed and useful to you guys and help you get to that next level. Anyways, that's all I have. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your boy. Peace.